Hello, I'm Van with Bekaert. I'm here with Keith today, and we're going to talk about our solar security fence and the post spacing requirements for that, Keith.
Van, it's a big deal when you talk about the difference between Solidlock ag fencing and chain link and the post spacing. The requirements are completely different.
And being able to spread that post spacing out, it has substantial cost savings for the installer, for the engineers over the project, and a huge time savings. We can get this fence up and be protecting this solar farm or solar project in a very timely manner when we can cut out some of the posts.
Definitely, for sure. Most specifications for chain link is on an 8 to 10 foot post spacing, and for ag fencing, that's really, really tight.
Yes, it is, Keith. Then if we're using a Solidlock solar fence, we're able to spread that post spacing out to 15 to 20 feet very easy. And there's a few reasons for that. One is the style of fence. With the fixed knot products, we have horizontal line wires, and they run from brace to brace.
Not only that, we're talking about high tensile products in the Bekaert Solidlock versus low carbon. And when you talk about Solidlock products in high tensile, 12.5 gauge chain link, 11 gauge or 9 gauge, the weight difference is huge.
Absolutely, and part of that is the strength comparison.
That's right.
It takes a 9 gauge low carbon product to match a 12.5 gauge high tensile product. So being able to have that steel reduction and cut down on our weight, we can really spread that post spacing out while still providing an equal or superior strength in that fence profile.
Yes, absolutely. And Solidlock, when you space that product out to 15 feet, even to 20 feet, a lot of times when you go to cost per mile, that adds up to big dollars.
Yes, it does. There's huge cost savings there. And with the horizontal lines in the fixed knot products, we don't need a top rail or a tension wire in there to help hold that up between posts.
Yes. So check out the fencing.bekaert.com website, and in the Learning Center, you'll find Solidlock brace specifications. It has everything to do with bracing the Solidlock product as well as post spacing, man.
Absolutely, Keith. There's a lot of useful videos in there as well on installation. And then we've got the fence calculator that will help you calculate how many posts you need, how much wire you need, how many braces. So really simplifies that down, gives you a good product list to work off of when you're bidding a project.
When it comes time to purchase the products for your solar fencing project, remember Bekaert, made in the USA.